Hi guys, I'm about to start sowing a few vegetables from seed and I wanted to share with you so you know how to start doing it. This is the way that worked best for me, but it doesn't mean you can not do it in some other way. I use these jiffy strips. It comes in 10s and it's made of peat moss. It's biodegradable, so once the crop grows in here, you don't need to remove the plant from inside the cell. You just put it inside the soil and it will degrade. Basically the same as with microgreens. I fill up each cell with a little bit of seedling mix. Also contains perlite and peat moss and compost. It's a sterile, which is super important for seeds. So they are not getting affected by a pathogen. Retains very well moisture and it has good drainage. It's very light and aerated, so it's ideal for little seeds. It doesn't come with a lot of nutrients, which small seeds don't need, so that's a good thing. The only thing you need to worry about with mixes with peat moss is you don't want to let them dry out, because peat moss is difficult to rehydrate. It becomes hydrophobic once it dries out, so you don't want that to happen. So I put a few seeds on each cell. I'm sowing some brassicas here. Don't forget to put your tag. I use these popsicle tags. They are made of wood. I put 2 to 3 seeds depending on the year they're being harvested. The older they get, the less germination rate they will have, so the more seeds you add, the better. We cover them, sprinkle with a little bit of... I've done the few first cells, so those are done, and then you tap on top. You don't want to compact the mix a lot. And then the same as before, I've already filled this up with water. Put water like that into the... I'm not gonna fill it up more, because that's another thing you need to be careful. Don't overwater the seedlings, because they can drown. They don't have air, enough oxygen, and they can rot inside the mix. That's all. Let me know if it's been helpful, if you have any doubts or you have questions. Regarding the pots, peat moss is not very environmentally friendly. I've been researching for different options to plastic and this. Recently I found some pots that are made of composted cow's poop. And I think it's a good option. I've just bought a few and I'm gonna try them and let you know how they work. If you want to know what I've been sowing, a little kale, broccoli, and some other type of kale here. But kale at this time of the year, at least in California, you can sow them directly outdoors in the ground now. I hope it's been helpful. As I said, any questions you have, let me know. See you soon in the next video.